Okay, hello, Geek Nation. This is Alex Yar from All Things Geek, and I'm here to do an unboxing of August's Loot Crate. The theme is Kingdom. So there are Rick and Morty collectibles, Legend of Zelda, Lord of the Rings, Adventure Time. You get the idea. So Lootcrate is the original monthly mystery crate for geeks and gamers. For $15.99, you get a month. For a year, you get exclusive t-shirt. You get a figure that's exclusive, you can't get anywhere else. Other than Lootcrate, you'll probably get a drinkware, all kinds of other things. So, let's take a look at what we got. And as I said, this month's theme is Kingdom. So let's take a look. Alright. Very nice, very nice. And in the boxes also for Lootcrate, they do a really great job packaging this stuff. Here we have the Nice King and Gunter from Adventure Time. So you've got an adult collectible. It's not a toy, it says on the box. So let's take a look. Cool little statuette. Very cool. Very cool statuette. Nice King and Gunter. I'm going to take this one out. Go. Nice. Okay, we'll put that guy there. Very cool. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Alright. Next we have Lord of the Rings color changing glass. And cold liquid. I really love them. Colors. This. Nice. Elvish. One ring that rules them all. Yeah, awesome. Okay, it changes color supposedly. We'll take that word for it for now. Have your collectible pin. Lootcrate pin for August 2017 Kingdom. Put this in my pin collection, I keep. Very cool. Whoops, dropping some of those. And an awesome t-shirt. Looks like it's a little map of Hyrule, or at least a level. The Legend of Zelda. Oh, nice. Look at that. So it's Link. That link map there. Nice. Good job. I always love their t-shirts. It's always a nice thick blend. This exclusive Loot Crate, Legend of Zelda. Very nice. Very nice. Very cool. And I always get compliments like, wow, where'd you get that shirt? And it's like, wow! So it looks like the drowning of Isengard. So you have the Ents there, and Merry and Pippin on the Ent, and Saruman the White is gonna get his. This is very cool. This is an exclusive, I'm sure. Lootcrate. There we go. We'll put that on the side. They also give you like literature so you can read up on, if you're not a fan of the fandoms that they are featuring for that month, you can always learn about it. Goes in depth. Yeah, no doubt. Our business is with Isengard tonight with rock and stone and art. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, free digital comic. Very nice. Okay. And, you know, Lootcrate, they do a really good job, you know. The bottom of the box turns into a shield. I don't know if you can see that. So, punch that out. Transformable box. So, I tell you guys, I mean, if you're not subscribing to Lootcrate, it's you're missing out, because they have some really cool exclusives you can't get anywhere else. Like I said, it's $15.99 for a month, for a year, and you get t-shirts, figures you can get anywhere else, drinkware. They also have Loot Pets, okay? They have Loot Wear, which is exclusively wearables. If you want more wearables, they have Loot Wear for her, so the Geek girls can get their thing on. I mean, it's fantastic setup. They have Loot Anime that's specifically for anime. So, you know, really, you should take a look at the site. I highly recommend them. I'm always pleased. This is Alex Yard from All Things Geek, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.